Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Make It Kustom. This is a different kind of video today. We are having some crazy weather here. Mother Nature's pissed. There is mudslides, road closures. This is, we got flooding everywhere. So I went to the shop yesterday and I saw that there was it was raining really hard. It was torrential downpouring all day and water started seeping into the shop. So I looked around to make sure that, luckily most of the move's been done, so everything's either on a pallet or it's a machine with a base, so there's not, anything getting damaged against the floor. But we haven't moved our house stuff into the house yet, so we've been sleeping still at our old place, and we were gonna move in today, but it's been flooding everywhere, so you're not gonna lug boxes in the pouring rain. We're gonna go check out the shop, just see how it is right now. It's just crazy, so let's go hope that the shop is not under 6 inches of water.
So is this better or worse than yesterday? Oh, your planishing hammer's sitting in the fucking water. You taking a sick reflection shot or what?
That was your best electrocution? That's all you got? Well, there's no flood damage up here that I can tell. Yeah, the carpet looks dry. Wonder why that is.
Oh, there's no flood damage up here? This is on the second floor?
Yeah, it's overall not too bad. It's wet. We're gonna have to squeegee it all out, but damn, could be worse. There's a lot of people out there that have it a lot worse. A little bit of elbow grease will be back up and running.
Two out of 10.
That's all I got. That's all I got.
Hydroplaning's more interesting than this.
Yeah, I know. Looking over here. It's completely under.
Watch, this is deceptively deep. We're just gonna
it's
sink
pretty
down.
deep. It's pretty deep. We're a solid foot underwater. All right, well, we got the shop all cleared out. I gotta tell you, vacuuming up water is not my favorite thing to do. Thankful that it could have been a lot worse, and we really had zero damage. Yeah, we're all good. We're ready to get back to work. I'm gonna work a little bit more on Christina's car. We're gonna make a panel for the rear on the passenger side, or sorry, the driver's side, rear lower quarter panel where it was rusted out. If you had seen the last video, us making the trunk drop downs, it's kind of the next step to that. And then we're gonna get back on the Model A next week. Just to fill you guys in, because not everybody's local, around here, this is the craziest flooding I've ever seen in my lifetime. It hasn't been like this since I was like 2 years old, which I obviously don't remember. But we've got like dikes bursting, we've got evacuations. Abbotsford's under a state of emergency because they've got basically a big pump house that has failed as of last night. And now there's just like a huge part of the town is like underwater. It's actually really crazy. So yeah, if you're interested in getting up to date on that, it's pretty gnarly. We're thankful that we're doing okay. Everybody's good. We've got a couple of friends that have some flood damage and are in, you know, a little bit worse situations than we are. And our hearts go out to them. And obviously, you know, if anybody needs help, we're always willing to lend a hand. Thankfully, everybody we know is doing okay right now. But anyway, that's it for this video. I know it's not car related. This is just kind of what happened. What stalled us out for a minute here is moving in and doing all that. Christina and I are actually living on the property now. This is the first time in a few years that we've lived in a house, not a motorhome. Kind of sweet. We're getting fencing done this week so that the dogs can safely play and, you know, not worry about them going out into the road and that kind of thing. Oh, I also wanted to let you guys know, just did a podcast, first podcast I've ever done. This guy, Static, Heath is his name, a Gutter to Gutter podcast in Australia. It was really cool. I got to talk with Heath about kind of what's been going on and give him a little bit of backstory. And so yeah, if you want to check that out, Gutter to Gutter podcast, go give him a like, a follow, and yeah, see what he's all about. So anyway, thanks a lot, everybody. Appreciate you guys for sticking with us. I'm gonna get working on Christina's car and we'll pump out another video for you. So don't forget to like, click subscribe, hit notifications. We'll get you on the next one. See ya.